What's going on, y'all? Here's a programming challenge solution for triangle pattern. All right, so what I'll do is I need a cout statement, put a line breaker right to begin with, another cout statement, I put an inline at the end, and then within here I'm going to put the information. So I'm going to start with go ahead and start with the base or the bottom. So I'll say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? And then just put a line break at the end. Right here on top of that, I'll put a space, and then I'll do what 1 2 3 4 5 space. Oops. And I need to make it so the way it's going to print out, I need to make it look like that right here. That's basically what I'm doing, right? And then another one, we'll say 1 2 3. Oops. And then on the top of the pyramid or the triangle will be the number 1. All right, and that should be it. Next thing I need to do is open up a terminal. So over here, I'm gonna an Explorer. On the file, I'm gonna right click, open integrated terminal. There's the terminal down here at the bottom. So to compile this, I'll say C++ and then the file name. All right, and then ./.a.out, enter. All right, there's the triangle right there.